Hello my beautiful people. Today's video I want to share with you the secret of onion. If you don't subscribe on this channel, please subscribe on my channel and don't forget to give me thumbs up and then comment down below and share my video, and don't forget to press the notification bell on. When I post the video, you'll be the first one to see my video. Today I just want to telling you the secret of onion. In case you don't know about this onion, please keep watching this video. If you are a man or a woman, you can watch the video and you will know how the onion do to your body. Onion help to burn your belly fat. If you have a side fat, you have a down fat, or you have any kind of fat, you can use onion to lose your weight and burn your stomach fat. Also, onion help for the man who want to have a strong and bigger joint stick. When you want to make respect to your partner, to your wife, and to your lover, please use onion to make respect to her. So on this onion, you will know how to use it if you are a man and you suffering of that problem of just getting ejaculation very fast. You can use this one and you will stop having ejaculation just for 30 minutes up to 40 minutes. Please watching this video. Also, onion help for the woman who don't have a juice down there to their vagina. You can use onion. You will gain juice, you will gain hotness from your vagina, and your partner will enjoying you and you will enjoy it too during that things. So keep watching this video and you will know how to use this one. Number one, we use onion for burn stomach fat, weight loss. If you want to burn any kind of fat, just try to use onion. Just for 3 days, you will burn all kind of fat which you have. Do you know how to use this onion? Please keep watching this video. You will know how to use this onion at home. Just for 3 days, try to use this remedy. It's so helpful. Just take a plate, should be a clean plate as you see it on my video. You can use anything which you have, but for me I using this one. Taking your onion and start peeling off the drying outside. I don't know how it's called these things outside, but I think I can call you can peel it off the drying things from the onion, and after that you can cut the size which you want. For me, I just cutting this one because this is my size which I want for today and for using this one. So after you try to peel it off, everything is just already peeled. So you know what next? The next is my onion. It will be looking like this. You can see how the way it's looking. It's just looking wonderful and it's just looking nice. Try to cutting it into small pieces as you see it on my video how I cut it. You don't need to blend this one. I will telling you why you don't need to blend this one. So keep watching and you will know why you don't need to blend this. So, and after you finish to cut this onion like this, the up next is you need to take a glass, any glass which you use at home, and then you can take your onion, and my onion is this one, and just put onion into the glass. And then after you putting all the onion inside the glass as you see it on my video, let me show you how the way is look like. You can see how the way is look like. It's just a lot of onion, but for me is enough because I have ulcers and I have a gas pain on my stomach. That's why add the hot water into this. So when you add a hot water, you can wait until for 5 minutes or 10 minutes until this water become warm water. I will telling you why we put hot water and we don't boiling this onion. So after you putting this one, and after 5 minutes or after 10 minutes, then you can take honey, any pure honey, and you can add 1 teaspoon of honey. And after you add it, please try to mix it well as I mix it here. You can even smelling it, how the way it's smelling. It just smell like onion, smelling like honey, but it just smelling good at all. And then after this one, you can take another glass or another anything which you have, even cup, and you can strain this water, and we just want to get a clean water. That's why we're straining it, right? So after you straining it, let me show you how this water look like when I putting it on my white grass. You can see this, how this water, the color is already changed, and how the way it's looking, just smelling fresh. So this remedies now is ready. You can use these remedies to drink morning and evening. When you drink at morning, please drinking before you eat breakfast, and when you drink at night, make sure you drink this water after you eat dinner. 1 hour after dinner, you can drink this water, and it should be warm water when you drink it. This water, it's so helpful, and anyone can use it, because this one, it don't have that strong onion inside. That's why even someone who has ulcers or gas issue to their stomach, they can try to use also too, and it's help to anyone when you want to try for 3 days. Number two, we use onion for the man who want to make respect to their partner, the one who want to have a strong and power and bigger joint stick. You know why? Some people are suffering, not all, but a lot of people nowadays, they're suffering of getting ejaculation very fast. So it's happened like you going there, and after 1 minute or 30 seconds, you just getting it. So taking a plate like this, if you're suffering of that problem, taking your onion, as you see it, try to peel it off, as I peel it off my onion. And after I peeling it off, make sure you just follow all my steps which I mentioned here, and then you can cut this onion. When we cut it like we want to clean the onion. Then take a bowl, and when you take a bowl, you can start taking your onion too, and then taking your clean water and try to wash this onion. And we wash this onion because we want to remove all bacteria outside this onion. That's why we wash it, right, guys? So after you finish wash this onion, do you know what next? The next is you need to take back the plate, any plate, even you can use a bowl if you have, and then you can take a handy blend, or you can use a blend machine. It depends on you which one you have, but for me, I'm using this one because this one I will get the size which I want. But if I using the big machine, it will be a lot. So you can see how this size is it. This is the right size which I have. You can take also another bowl as you see it on my video, and then taking clear ginger, pure ginger, and try to wash it as you see it, how the way this ginger look like. Wow, it's just looking wonderful. And after you getting it, take back the place, and after you can take that hand blend, and after taking hand blend, you can start blend this ginger. I just want to telling you something. When you're using 1 spoon of onion, you need to use 1.5 spoon of ginger. You get me? That's the way you can use this one. So, and after you get this one, you can take the cup again, and after taking a cup, a glass, or anything which you have, you can just taking only 1 spoon of this mixture. Guys, I just talking about 1 spoon of this. You can put into your cup which you use for the tea at morning. So when you're putting 1 cup of this mixture on the glass, then you need to add some water, and this water is so nice and so helpful, and make sure it will be a clean water. Try to mix it well. When you mix it well, you can see even a color is already changed. And taking a tablespoon of honey, and try to mix it again. And after that, we need lime, and after we get lime, we need to take a half lime, or it's not like a half. Let me cutting it, so people, they can tell me what is this called. This a half, or which size is this? I just taking a little bit, not like in a half, but it is on the a half. I don't know how I can call this one, so you can tell me how it's called down below in the comment section. So you can squeeze the juice into on this water, and you can leave this all onion inside. We want this leaf from we want this onion peel to be in the on this water, so it can be mixed, and you can leave it maybe for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you need to take your strainer which you have, and after taking the strainer, you need to strain this water from your strainer to your strainer. And after you mix it well, your water will be looking like this. You can see how the waves look like. It's just looking wonderful. Wow. So if you have a problem of strong joystick, or you have a small joystick, you want to have a strong and bigger, and you don't want to ejaculation fast, you can use this water to drink. You can drink always 1 time per day only. You can try to drink this one as a tea. You can just using it as a normal tea, and you will see after 7 days you will see changes from your body. If after 7 days you don't see any changes from your body, please stop using this one. Maybe it's not nice for you, but it's nice for another one. But if after 7 days you see any changes, you starting getting power, you starting get strong, and you have a joystick become big, you need to keep drinking it for 14 days. Make sure you try to use these remedies. It's so nice and so helpful for anyone who suffering with that problem. Number three, we use onion. If you are a woman like me, if you are a woman, you don't have any juice from your vagina, you want your vagina to be hot, you want your vagina to be tight and smelling fresh. There's some women smelling so bad. So if you're smelling bad, if you have any infection down there, you can use this onion to remove all that stuff from your vagina. And this, it will make your vagina tasting good, tasting fresh, and be wonderful. And your partner will enjoy you, and you will enjoy your partner. Please try to use this onion. You never know about this one, but I telling you now, this is 100% working for any kind of woman if you trying it at home. I will telling you how to use this one. Taking a plate, just a clean plate, make sure it should be clean, and then you can take the hand blend. We need to use always hand blend, because hand blend you can make the size which we want, right? Start blending your onion first. After you blending it, it will look like this. You can see how the way it look like, right? It's just looking nice, and it is looking wonderful too. And after you getting it, you need to have honey. So you can take 1 spoon of honey and you can add into your onion. So let me tell you something. If you put 1 spoon of honey, you need to put a half spoon of onion. That's the size which you need to put it. Make sure you know the size. And after mix it well, as I'm mixing it here, and after I mix this mixture, it will look like this. You can see how the waist look like. It's just looking nice, so looking wonderful and looking good too. I like this mixture. So you can try to use this one by touching like this and testing it into your mouth like this. But let me tell you something. If you have ulcers, you have gassy issue to your stomach, you have acid, you can put into your finger as I put it here, and then you can eat. So I don't know how I can call this way, but I just telling you on the simple way which I understand. Like you just taking a 1 finger and you touching this mixture, and after you eat it. And if you don't have any issue to your stomach, you can eat this spoon, only 1 spoon per week. You can see how the way I touching it if you have any problem. So when you eat it 1 spoon per week, you don't need to repeat it. But if you will be eating by touching it but with your finger, you need to eat every day by your finger if you have that problem which I telling you now. And I just want telling you something else too. Don't eat it before you eat anything. You need first to eat lunch, to eat dinner, to eat everything to your stomach, and your stomach being full, and then you can just try to use this one. This is so nice, and you can keep drinking it. After 1 week you can drink 1 spoon, and another week 1 spoon, just 4 spoons per month only, and just end up there. So try to use these remedies. This is the way onion work. But some people say like onion help to remove pimples, make the pimples dry. You can do like this. If you want to dry your pimples, or you have any rashes, you can use onion juice to make sure that you remove all the pimples from your face. And please make sure that you keep away from your eyes, on the side of your eyes, and on the side of their nose. There's a side down the sides of the nose, there's a very soft skin. You don't need to put there, because this onion is very strong. So please don't put it there. Just apply it on the problem which is get affected. And then onion help to make your hair glowing long. So if you want to make your hair glowing long, try to use onion. It's so helpful. The only things which you need to use this onion, you need to use as a steaming, normal steaming. As a woman, we need to know that the steaming, how the way you can put steaming to your hair. If you have natural hair, you have luxury hair, you have what it's called relax, yeah, right? So you can try to putting it. Because I have natural hair, I'm always putting my natural things on my head, on my hair, to make my hair strong, to making my hair to become very smooth and very nice. So this one also help to remove people who their hair start itching. So it's help to stop itching from your hair. So how the way is look like, I don't know how I can calling it, but this the way I can telling you how this onion work for everybody and for anyone. Even a man can use it. This is so nice. And also onion help into relationship, to bring back your ex. But in case you don't know, please keep watching my video, and I'll come back and telling you how it's work into relationship if you don't know about it. Please keep watching my video. I love you all. See you next video. Bye bye.